Hello, today I'll be printing off this white and green LED mushroom lamp. Hope you enjoy. Okay, this is me printing off the head of the mushroom. They're all printed in ABS plastic, with a total print time of about 8 hours. So quite a long time. Don't forget to like this video and maybe subscribe. Okay, I'm now printing off the legs or the stand of the mushroom lamp. Okay, at the end of this video you'll see me assemble it and put the LEDs inside. Okay, I'm going to put the two pieces together, the white bit. I didn't bother cleaning it up because, hey, you're not going to see it. And the green head, mushroom head. I'm going to put some white LEDs in and maybe some red. Okay, at the bottom of the white stand, I did drill a hole in. This is so the lead of the LED doesn't like wobble it around. It just looks much better. So if you want it without the LEDs, it does work. You won't get the light though. And it looks like a lovely little mushroom. But if you do want the LED, you can just thread it through the base. Thread it through. Thread it through and make sure you colour up and whatever style you want, where you want the LEDs to shine, and then just put the lid on. This LED was from Banggood. It was like £1.50, £2. You just plug it into a USB port on your computer or a USB plug. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it in. I've got a lot of lights on, so I'm just going to turn them down. And there we go, a little LED light. It looks much brighter in real life. But there you go. But you can also put red LEDs in. This is a meter strip. You can make it shorter by just cutting it. This was also from Banggood. So the same job here, take off the lid, take out the white LED and just thread this through. I did find out it was very long, a meter obviously, but I managed to squeeze it all in. Yep, just scrunched it all up and put the lid on top. Okay, the finished product, the red version, is nearly done. Okay, let's just get rid of that bit, well, shove it in as well. Scrunch it all down. Okay, this is with all the lights out and the exposure set correctly. As you can see, it is very bright. Okay, so this is what it looks like in real life. You can see a bit of green and with the red glow. I'll just line the lead so it doesn't wobble about. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is what the white one looks like underneath proper lighting. This is what I see. So it gives a nice green effect that your child will love. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.